Okay, based on questions I've been getting, I'll be explaining to you guys how PyProject works on Python projects. We have two types of setup in Python project. You have the setup.py, you have the pyproject.toml, and you can call it toml or something like that. I don't know. Then, what this packages or what this does in Python is that it packages your code and make it available for people to install them using pipe install. You know that whenever you want to install something using Python, you have to use pipe install. So now this made it in a way that you build your system so that it can be installed by others and make use of them. So after the whole thing, you can publish it and all that. Now I will give you an example. For example, you can see that I have this PyProject build system. Then if you can notice from the build backend, we have the setup tools. Now in this project, I'm using the setup tools. You can use poetry, you can use hash and a lot of things then, but here I'm making use of the setup tools. So in this setup tools, I have another file called this setup that I have all my informations. Just follow me, you people understand what this is used for. I have all the informations of the project written here, the name of the project, the version, descriptions and all that written here. Then at the end, I have this what we call my endpoint here, my entry point, sorry, which I call MLP, machine learning project. Now this entry point, I have another this thing folder on my project called CLI, which is command what's it called command line interface. Now all these things are links together. Now let me show you guys how this work. If you let's go back to our setup tools. Where is it? Down here, a lot of things here. Here. Now if you type this MLP, this entry point here, and click on it, now you will see something like initialing my project's package. Welcome to this. Use greet to receive a personalized greeting, which is what is here on this argument, right? Use greet to receive a personalized listen. So you can actually make it in a way that now what does this say? It says that you can actually type something and use this grid to receive a personalized message. For example, now if I have MLP greet and I type Royce, it will print another thing here. You see, hello Royce, welcome to my welcome to MLP command line interface. Now also, this is how this works. Now when you click on pipe show my project, I show my project, which is the project name here. Where is it? Setup tools, which is this project name here, right? When you click on it, now it will print all the informations about this project. It will print all the information about this project. Now you can say, let me clear this so that it will be clearer for you guys. It will not be jam-packed. Now what did I type? Show my project. Now you can see the name of the project, the version of the project, the summary of the project, the author's email, the licensing and all that, the location and everything of this project. Now as I said before, this particular thing, it packages your code or your project and makes it available for people to install and make use of them in Python using pipe install. Now if I click pipe, even though if you can see I'm already, this is my logger, now this is the location of everything that I'll be writing for this my project structure, and this is the location. Everything I'll be doing will be here. Everything. Now I have my logger here already written. I have my I have my utils here, which I'll be needing for my project. Now if I click pipe, Oh, sorry, if I click pipe install my projects, it will start installing. You can see it will start installing. Now installing all those requirements that I use in this project. Now for you to make use of it, and let me show you another example so that you people understand what this does. For example, there is this code I wrote about this geocode. Now if you see this ipipe install this, if I copy this now, if I copy this particular thing here and go to this place, okay, I have typed it already, and pipe show this particular package. Now what you do, it will show me the name of the package, the version, the summary, you can see it here, and the github. If I click on this github, it will lead me to the page of the, but this is okay, this particular one I have not signed in with this account. Okay, I'm not signing with this account here, but it's supposed to lead me to the GitHub page, but it say this is not the web page you are looking for. Now let's try it with another package. You can see in this package also we used geocode, where geop, this particular thing called geop. Now if I also pipe show this, it will give him every information about this. If I click on this GitHub, no server is currently available to serve you. Sorry about that. Please refresh contact. Maybe these people are having issues. Okay, it has opened. You can see it has opened. Now it gives me the whole code of this person, the app written by this particular, group of people. You can see the readme and all that, and how you can install it. The way you can store it is pipe install. So in my own package now, I can easily also add readme, tell people how to make use of this particular thing to achieve what I want by maybe my own, how to install my own packages. You can see it is pipe install, pipe install my project, pipe install my project. This is how to install my own project. But where is it? But theirs is, you want to install it is this. If you want to make use of it is this. Now to geolocate a query to an address and coordinate, this is how you do some of these things and all that. So in my own case also, I have my readme here. Where is it? I have my readme here. I can explain everything, how to go about the packages or the whole thing I'm doing here on this particular machine learning project. I can also where is this is my licensing here, which I use the MIT licensing. If you go to theirs, I think that's what they also used. Oh, where is their licensing? Let me open it here, let me check. They use the same thing. Now this licensing is just to grant anybody free of charge to make use of this particular project. And so this particularly what pyproject or setup project does. It just packages or it just build a system for you, make it available for people to make use of. So that's just the summary of everything, you know concerning this particular thing.